our kitty can draw friends. Who needs a magic ocean when we have magic markers? Moana's back and so are we. Let's draw Moana from Moana 2 the movie. First, draw a half circle for the bottom part of the face. For the eyebrow, draw a small vertical line and a wavy line at the bottom, and a similar one on top, connecting together with a pointy end. Repeat the same steps for the other eyebrow. For the eye, draw a curved line and a half circle on top, making the connection rounded on the outer side and pointy in the middle. Draw a half circle inside for the iris and a smaller one for the pupil. Make the top outer part of the eye more thick for the eyelashes. Repeat the same steps on the other side for the other eye. Color the pupils, leaving white spots to show light reflection. For the nose, draw a letter C under the left eye and its mirror image under the right one, and then a small half circle in the middle, then connect them together to finish the nose. For the mouth, draw a curved line under the nose, then draw a half circle under it, and a bigger half circle around it for the lower lip. Then draw a tiny letter V right under the nose and connect it to the mouth to finish the upper lip. For the hair, draw a wavy line starting from above the left eyebrow, going down to meet the side of the face. Draw another wavy line connecting to the other side of the face, with another straight hair as well. Draw a small curve connecting each side of the face to the hair for the ears. Before finishing the hair, draw two lines coming down from the bottom of the face for the neck. Then draw a diagonal line coming down from each side. Draw small circles around the neck for the beads of the necklace. Then draw a large circle in the middle to finish the necklace. Draw half a square on the left shoulder for the dress strap. Draw a horizontal line for the top of the dress, intersecting the necklace. Draw a similar one under it, then connect them on each side. Draw a line coming down from each side. Connect them together at the bottom with a horizontal line. Draw a similar one under it and connect them at both sides. Draw a vertical line coming down from the right side and connect it to the waist with a diagonal line. Repeat this step one more time under it. Draw a letter V on the left side. Then draw a line coming down from each side for the skirt. Draw a diagonal line coming down from each one, going inwards, leaving a space in the middle, then connect them with an upside down letter V in this space. For the fringes of the skirt, draw vertical lines coming down with a small oval shape connected to each one. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Draw a line coming down from each side of the skirt and connect them at the bottom with a zigzag line, making some parts of the zigzag longer than others to give it an irregular shape. Draw 2 curved lines coming down from the bottom of the skirt, making them a little bit away from each other at the top. Extend the line on the right with a curved line going downwards then left to make the anchor. Then extend the diagonal line from the other side, going downwards. Connect the 2 lines together with a small zigzag to finish the foot. Repeat the same step on the other side for the other leg. Before drawing the foot, draw 2 horizontal lines with some circles in between. Then draw a zigzag under it similar to the one on the skirt to finish her ankle bracelets. Then finish the foot similar to the other side. For the left arm, extend the line from the left shoulder, going down making a letter V facing sideways. Then draw a similar letter V inside. Extend the line from each one to make the hand. Make a tiny zigzag on the left side of the body and end it with the letter V to finish the folded hand. For the right arm, extend the line from the right shoulder to make a letter V. Then make a similar letter V under it. Draw a small upside down letter V on the upper part to make the thumb. Draw a vertical line going up from the thumb and a similar one right next to it. Connect them together at the top. For the fist, draw half a square with rounded corners. Then connect it on the other side with 4 folded fingers. Extend the 2 lines of Moana's oar under her fist, making the 2 lines closer to each other as going down. Draw a curved line on each side at the bottom of the oar stick. Then connect them at the bottom with a curved letter V. Now let's finish the hair. For the right side of the hair, draw some curves overlapping, going down until it connects to the right arm. For the left side, to make the hair look like it's blown by the wind, draw similar waves, going more away from the face, all the way down, then connecting again to the body, near the left hand. To decorate the top of the dress, draw a vertical line on the strap, a diagonal line on the chest, and a smaller diagonal line under it. You can add some decorations to the skirt, some letter V's on the bottom part. Then draw a large square on the right side with a diamond shape inside and several letter V's around it, some facing up, down, and to the sides. Make the same thing on the left side. The ocean is calling! Now you can draw Moana from Moana to the movie. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface while coloring, leave a small line without color or use a white pen or pencil over your colors.